my time, you all I want. Neither of us wanna be alone.
Okay, g'day, Rudy here. It's all about data centers in this video, and it sort of rolls into the complacency and the tech is where you want to be all and end all at the moment. So just some quick history. So on Wednesday, that's this Wednesday, Microsoft acts plans for new data centers across the US and Europe, scrapping projects that would have delivered so much power. On Tuesday, Alibama's chairman said tech giants, investment funds and developers are racing to build out data centers without a clear customer base to back it up. I'm still astounded by the type of numbers that are being thrown around, he said. People are literally talking about 500 billion, 700 billion. I don't think that's entirely necessary. People are investing ahead of the demand that they're seeing today, but they are projecting much bigger demand. I think that sums it up pretty well. And if we just go and look back home, what we got in this space. Okay, so the favourite one, next DC. So we're on the monthly chart. So back here is when everyone got excited about data centres. I mean, my gut feel is there won't be a physical building, but Elon Musk will have something up in the sky. So you won't need a building. That's my gut feeling anyway. Okay, so back to next DC. So it's had this big long-term uptrend channel, a little short-term uptrend channel which was broken. See, there you go again. One of those big red candles means exit, i.e. last video, IVV. Anyway, we've now broken this, what used to be resistance is, well, it's not support. So it's going to come back down. And there you go, probably $10. So you'd wait for it to come down here to a round number. But that looks sick. You wouldn't be buying that. Okay, the other one we've got in our space, Goodman Group. It's not entirely a data center play. And this is obviously a buy from one of those live wire reviews that I do quite often, saying I didn't agree with them as a buy. Again, had a beautiful long-term up channel, popped out of it, sort of went nowhere so we're looking at monthly candles, had this rounding top, like rounding tops and rounding bottoms, or either they're bullish down here and they're bearish up there. Broke support here at $33. It's going to come down and test $28, and at that pace it's probably going to smash through that. If we bring out the fib, right. So a 50% retrace would take it to the 27. But look at that, I reckon he's got his eyes on the 78 retracement at a nice number of $20. Not not in the next week, but over the next 12 months. So I definitely wouldn't be, even though some fund manager obviously did tell you to buy it. That's why I like doing those live wire reviews of these so-called experts. And here we go, we've got the experts again. So this is a new ETF, DGT. I'll move it out to daily so you can see. But basically it was launched by some fund manager with an initial portfolio of 13 assets across Australia and North America, ranging from stabilised data centres to development projects, targeting the growing demand for digital infrastructure driven by cloud computing, AI and data storage needs. Now doesn't that sound sexy? That was, I want to get me into that. Okay, so they launched at $5 per share, raising 2.74 billion, making it one of the largest ASX floats in recent years. So that just goes to show the amount of money that just wants to jump into this AI space, and it's just pushed valuations far beyond what they're being valued at assuming some ridiculous growth rates. And like I said, I reckon it'll be in the cloud one day. Alright, so let's bring it down to something so we can see something. So people paid $5 for them. And they're now worth $3. Okay, that's a nice, what's that, 40% kick in the guts. You can see there once it tried to find a floor at $4 and then it fell over. I've got no idea where that's going, except for going down. Alright, so that's the data center space for you, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I don't like the Nasdaq and the FANGs, and I think everyone's got a bit ahead of themselves. Alright, that's just my view. Thank you.
Never waste my time. You all I want.